Welcome guys to this video. Here I will be talking about how you can uninstall Blizzard or Battle.net games. So this works in the same way in Windows and on Mac. I'm showing this on Mac, but basically you have to open up the Battle.net client and find the game that you want. So you don't do this through control panel in Windows and don't do it through Finder on Mac. You simply find the game here in client. So at the moment I have installed Hearthstone. Select the game, options, uninstall game. So it's very simple. And then there is a pop-up asking if you really are sure that you want to uninstall the game. So simply press yes, uninstall, and that's it. So it might take a bit longer if you have a larger game such as World of Warcraft, but that is the process, and that way you delete the files, you delete more files, so it's better to do it this way. So I hope that you found this useful. A very quick tutorial how to uninstall Blizzard games from your computer and free up some space. See you guys in the next tutorial.